I'm really excited. I'm really looking forward to what's about to unravel with this start. This is just a pregame. Basically, I haven't been feeling like I wanted to eat anything for the past couple of days, and it's so interesting to me. I really do believe my body wants me to start to cleanse now, so I feel like I have the opportunity to use this as a pregame. So I went to the grocery store today, and I bought a lot of great things, and it was for a great price. I really do believe that cleanses take you to another level of discipline, of accountability to self, of desires, and it's just like a way to show yourself that you are willing to sacrifice and let go of things that no longer serve you, let go of things that doesn't nourish your body, and really replace it and be intentional to replace it with something that's great, to be honest with you. So I had the opportunity, I have the opportunity now, so I'm doing a pre-game cleanse before my 20-day trial, and I found some recipes online, and with those recipes I'm going to incorporate this to my daily lifestyle for the next, I believe it's going to be 6 days. And I'm currently, just to keep you updated, ladies, I'm currently on my menstrual, so this is a really interesting time to be trying to do a cleanse. So I really want to know, how does that connect and translate in my womb health and everything else. So this is about to be lit. Let's be real, this is about to be lit. So I got some carrots, some mango, some beets. Oh my gosh, I didn't even know these were this big. I have some ginger. Look at the difference in these gingers actually, because this is crazy. Like, this is the Asian ginger I went to go buy. I don't even know if this is real, but this is the real ginger, okay? I don't know if this is real or not, but I'm going to let you guys know what this is all about, because my mom avoids these type of ginger. I heard they have like mad GMOs. I don't know. I'm going to do my research, but right now I'm gonna try it, and I'll let you guys know if it still gives you that gingery kick. And I got some celery, some spinach, some kale, pineapple baby, some cucumbers. I got green apple, lemon, lime, oranges, and I also got some pomelos. Now, pomelos are actually one of a fruit that I just got introduced to, and I am loving everything about it. Some of them are sour and the others are sweet. I've been running into the sweet ones, so I'm very happy about it. They're so big and juicy, and they're just, in the citrus family, they're actually the biggest in the family. So it's really, it took me like probably 10 minutes one day to actually take all of this off. It was so crazy. But yeah, I'm looking forward to the recipes that I aligned with, and I'm looking forward to sharing what is in store, because I do believe that cleansing your body and being intentional on a cleanse, or just even following God's guide, because honestly I feel like I'm just following this inner energy that's telling me, yo, cleanse. And I've never done a like juice cleanse like this, especially personally for myself. And in the past, I actually couldn't even afford a freaking juicer. That's fucking crazy, because everything is here for me. Like, it's crazy. God has definitely shifted my reality. But yeah, so I got me a nice juicer, and I'm just so excited. I got the 𝗏𝗏𝗃. I am going to do a fun review on the 𝗏𝗏𝗃, and guys, for women well-being, I would say to stay tuned, because as I'm learning, I'm going to share. As I'm learning, I will share, because I naturally already have that, yeah, in me. So, and I will connect it to women wellness. You know, it is a connection to women wellness, and it will be translated so well. And so, because you love yourself and care for yourself, I know that you're going to subscribe right now, so that we are able to connect you to your wellness. That is alternative lifestyle, thought style, expression. It is all in well. So guys, stay tuned. I am looking forward to being a practitioner of female well-being with love. Bye guys.